Let me show you guys on how you can easily copy a professional trader on P Prime. And I start with 20,000 cents, which is just what $200 as a capital. You can see, so you can see, and this is the balance. All the trade took little by little, little by little, little by little. 41 cents, 70 cents, 29 cents, 64 cents, 10 cents, 76 cents. So guys, so I'll show you in this video on how you can easily copy this professional trader right now, and what you need to do right now on how you can copy this trader. All right, and total balance right now I've made, let's say, 307 USC profit already. All right, with just my 20,000 USC account. I'm just showing you as a beginner so that you can start small and grow small here. Within a month you can be making some profits within a month. So let's go and show you that particular video right now. All right guys, let me show you guys on how you can easily copy a professional trader on PU Prime on your mobile phone right now. All right, so I'll show you what you need to do right now. The first step is to just make sure to create an account and verify the account. Create the account and verify that particular account. Create an account and verify it. Then the next step, after you verify your account, you need to create a cent account, a cent account. You can just come to this area, all right, to create a cent account. You can just click on add new on your mobile phone. Click on add new. Then right, you can see this is copy trading. It might be a copy trading account. All right, copy trading. Then you make sure you change this one to cents. All right, this is cent account. Click on this one, cent account. All right, USC account. Then you click on this one. All right, and click on this submit. All right, and click on this submit, and click on this submit. You are good to go. All right, so that's the step you need to do. So once you do that, you need to just make sure to fund the account. All right, you need to fund the account. All right, I've already. So now if you want to fund the account, you can start as low as a minimum with $200 or $300. Right, so to copy a professional trader here. All right, so now let me just try to fund this account. I want to fund this account right now. I'll just come to this portfolio area here to, all right, then I'll try to click on this fund to fund the account, at least $200 or $100. All right, it depends on you. All right, I will now click on deposits. So I need to just fund the account with, let's say, $200. All right, so you can as low. So if you want to calculate 5,000 cents is $50. All right, then you can, all right, so 20,000 cents is $200. So you have to just put 20,000 cents here. 20,000 cents, all right, which is $200 as a, all right. Then you come to this area. All right, it's very simple. Then you just go to your wallet address, anyhow wallet you have, to fund that particular account for a while. All right, then you can use either BEP20, wherever. All right, you can use that particular BEP20. All right, then you need to fund the account with, can you see this is $200. You will just fund it with what? $200. All right, you copy. All right, then you copy the wallet address. So let me just go to my exchange to send the $200 into this account right now, guys. So now let me just try to withdraw $200 here. $200 right now. $200. Right, I'll just click on this. $200. All right, I'll just paste the address given to me. I'll just try to BEP20. I like BEP. All right, I'll just say $200.01. I'll just click on confirm, then I'll send the money into that particular account. Can you see? I'll just click on confirm. I'll just put all my details. All right, I've already sent the money, so I'm just waiting for a few minutes for the money to reflect into that particular account. All right, the money is being sent successfully into that particular account. Let me go and check. So, all right, let me just click on this pay now, and the money will be reflect on the account in the few minutes. All right, you can see 20,000 USC is being successfully deposited into my copy trading account. All right, so let's go back. Can you see? So now let me show you guys one of the guy I normally copy right now. You can also DM me to get that guy. So now just come to discover. I normally I have some guys I normally copy here. So let me just give you one guy. So I'm copying this guy because I've already set it up already. So, and if you want to set up, all right, you can see you now click on this copy. The guy is consistency, at least you know, the guy focused on trading SAUSD, BTC, and ETH. So that is what this guy is trading every single, you know. So, and this is a daily 1.2% at times, 1.5, 2.5, depend. Can you see today is a 903, 1 point something so far today, right? So that's at least 1% in a day. Normally that is the target. So now let's just then you can check the also the monthly mass. I think it's okay. It's okay. So let me just go to copy right now. Let me just go copy. All right, we have to select equivalent to margin here. Equivalent to margin. Minimum is 5,000 USC, but I'm using 20,000 USC. 20,000 USD to copy this particular guy. 20,000 USC, which is $200. 20,000 USC. All right. So now you can see you have to select equivalent use margin. Then I've already select my capital. Then this one use margin multiplier 1. Then you have to select this one as well. Lot roll up. All right. Then copy open trade. No, I want them to cancel this one because I want them to open a new trade. Now there is another risk management here. Risk management. I think the stop loss is 35. You can see stop loss 35. But the guy will take the profit already, so you can see all right, you can see stop loss is 35. That is what the guy put it like, it's 35. Then leave it like this. Then now click on this submit. Stop loss is 35%. It's okay like that. We are using cent account. All right, then you now click on this submit. That's all. All right, so make sure you follow the settings. Equivalent investment 2,000. I mean, all right, my capital is 2,000 US 20,000 USC. Use margin multiplier, stop loss 35. All right, which is just $7 out of my capital. Then take profits. You can just leave it like that. The guy will take the profits when it's time to. Then I'll now click on this submit right now. Copy successfully. Copy. The copy position is being established. Please check later. Okay. So now, if you want to close or you want to stop, if you want to stop the trade, just come to this area. All right. Then if you want to add fund or you want to remove fund or you want to pause the trade, if you want to add fund here, if you want to add fund, click here. If you want to remove fund, click here. If you want to pause, click here. Then if you want to stop the trading entirely, click here. Then if you want to adjust your settings, click here. You can see they have already given a lot of options. If you want to adjust your setting, everything, risk management, stop loss, anything you know want to do. So that's all. Then you now click on update. You can see. So that's, I've already shown you guys everything you need to know about this copy trading. It allows you to copy professional trader while you are sleeping. So just let your capital work for you. It's automated trading. You don't need to do anything. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching the video. Try to register with my link down below this video. Join my Telegram group. Inbox me on WhatsApp for any question. Inbox me on WhatsApp, Telegram. All my link is down below this video. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like and share. The this video. I'll give you our updates on my journey on this particular copy trading. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.